Meet Bill and Bob. Their job is to send, receive, and process invoices. As their companies grow, so do their workloads. Soon, invoices add up and poor Bill and Bob work late into the night. Every company has a Bill and Bob. Whether sending invoices by paper or PDF, the process is time-consuming and multiple steps can lead to errors. Often these problems lead to late payments, a leading issue faced by SMEs. Fortunately, E-Invoicing can help. The E-Invoicing framework uses a standardized format to create invoices which are then delivered through a common network. E-Invoicing is significantly faster than traditional methods and with fewer errors. This helps companies get paid on time. Easier workflows and reduced storage requirements mean E-Invoicing also helps companies save money. Singapore has an E-Invoicing framework with internationally accepted formats. Connect once to the network and connect to everyone else. Exchanging and processing invoices gets easier when everyone adopts common standards and connects to the same network. As adoption grows, the benefits multiply. With E-Invoicing, Bill and Bob can work more efficiently and accurately. This helps their companies grow and still lets them go home on time. Don't be left out of this E-Invoicing ecosystem. Find out more at IMDA today.